Hi everyone, this is Mahipal and welcome back to Titan Stack. Today's topic is AI. Imagine waking up and finding AI has already replied to your emails, created a presentation, analyzed your sales, and even scheduled a meeting for tomorrow. Sounds fake, but it's already happening. Most people think AI is just a chat GPT, but that's an old news. The next big thing is AI agents. Instead of just answering the questions, AI can actually do the task on your behalf. Imagine you ask an AI to research about your competitors, writes an email, read the documentation, create the slides, and the whole job will be done. Most of the company already adopted the AI for their marketing, their sales, coding, data analysis, and many more. One employee can do the entire work which previously requires an entire team. This isn't about a science fiction, it's already happening. The question isn't about whether AI will replace the jobs, but the real question is how quickly you learn AI before anyone does. Do like, subscribe, and put down your thoughts in the comments if you want to know more about AI. See you in the next video.